down the most unsaturated ways to make money online with AI that almost nobody is talking about. And no, I'm not gonna waste your time talking about creating an app, building automations, or chat GPT tricks you've seen everywhere. These are real strategies that anyone can do if you are willing to put in the work. Right now, people are getting laid off from their jobs, side hustles are drying up, and everyone is looking for that next income stream. Find one thing from this list that resonates with you and go all in. I want to show you what it is, how to start it, and exactly how much you can make. And make sure you stick around because number 4 can make you the most money. And I am pretty sure that you have never even considered this before. You guys ready to get into it? Let's go. All right, so the first one is something most people have no idea you can make money doing. And it doesn't involve creating any digital products, creating any courses, or making any videos. It's literally just posting content on Facebook. A mom posted a simple photo of her daughter's hair and made $160 from that one post just because it got some engagement, meaning people either liked it, commented, shared it, or all 3. Now another person, they shared this funny one-liner, wishing my man so much success so he can afford anything I want. This one post got over 50,000 shares and earned her $1,400. And this guy, he made $39,000 in a single month just from posting content on Facebook. So, how do you do this using AI? Easy. You find posts that have already gone viral on either Instagram, X, or even Facebook, and you can either screenshot and reuse it by just adding some comments to the post, or you can make it your own and put the viral quote or one-liner in ChatGPT and ask it to give you 20 new variations of them. And if you train ChatGPT to match your tone or personality, it'll even make the content sound just like you. So what you do for this is you pick your favorites from the list that ChatGPT gave you, you post it, and you're in business. But first, you have to make sure that you're eligible. So step 1, you want to turn on professional mode on your Facebook profile. Step 2 is to go to your professional dashboard and check if you're eligible for the content monetization program. Right now, it's invite only. I got invited and I have no idea. I don't even really post on Facebook, but now I am. If you see that you're not eligible for content monetization yet, I recommend start to post more often. Facebook's goal is simple. Keep people on the app. So when you post content that gets engagement, they pay you. Because the longer people stay on their platform, the more money Facebook makes from ads that businesses are paying them to promote their business. It's like a full circle thing. So you get paid for posting stories, reels, text posts, and photos. Now, I started testing this myself when I found out I could get monetized, and I already made $10. So I'm gonna take this thing really seriously. I'm gonna go ahead and create posts, schedule them out so I don't have to constantly think about what to post, use AI for ideas, and rework posts that have already gone viral, putting my own little spin to it. And I'm putting this thing on autopilot. And I'm gonna share my journey with you guys, but don't wait for me. Start now. All right, this next one is proof that anyone can make money. My friend works 2 jobs, 7 days a week, and I was so sick and tired of seeing the struggle, so I told her to come over before she goes to work. I was gonna show her how to start a new income stream. And within 2 hours, guys, she had her first client. Like, I can't make this stuff up. This is not the norm, but this all just proves that you never know what's gonna happen if you just put yourself out there. And I filmed the entire thing, from setting it up with her to getting our first sale. And that one client, listen to this, he paid her $14.97 upfront and $997 every single month now. And since posting that video, people have been messaging me saying they tried it too. And one person told me that they even sold it to 20 businesses in a week. Once business owners hear about this, they want it. And this is why. Imagine you're searching for a plumber. You find one online, you call them and they don't answer. So what are you gonna do? You move on to the one that will. That missed call, that's lost money. So we installed a voice AI receptionist that answers every call, 24/7, never takes a day off. They can book appointments, answer questions, and so much more. Like, listen how good this sounds.
Hey, you have reached Cumberland Dental. How can I help you today?
Hi, I was calling in because I wanted to schedule something because I have a really bad root canal and it hurts so bad.
Hi, I'm so sorry to hear you're in pain. Our team is currently out for lunch, but I can take down your details and make sure someone gets back to you as soon as possible to help schedule an appointment. Can I start with your name, please?
Whitney.
Thanks, Whitney. And what's the best email address to reach you?
Whitney@usa.com.
Got it. So that's WHITNEY@USA.com, correct?
Yes.
Perfect. And just to confirm, you're looking to schedule an appointment.
Doesn't that sound like a real person? You don't need any tech experience to do this either. I show the full setup in the tutorial and how to find local businesses and uses this 3-sentence script to get your client. We made a short list of businesses that we could call. We got all rejections, but we got one yes. One client paying $1,000 a month. 10 clients, you do the math. Once it's set up, it's mostly hands off. The AI handles the calls and you just check in every now and then with the client to see how things are running. So if you want to try this yourself, I filmed an entire step-by-step tutorial. I'm gonna link it up here and in the description below. Now, this next one is where you can genuinely help people and make great money. I call it creating AI systems for content creators and business owners. So most business owners hate creating content. Ask me how I know. They're busy running their business, not filming or editing. So if you can make their lives easier by turning their long form videos that they've already created, but you can repurpose them into short form clips, they will happily pay you for it. And here's how simple it is. People don't even know this exists. That's why you can take advantage of this. You can take any YouTube video, yours or someone else's, and head to vidIQ. They have a $1 trial for 30 days with my link if you want to try it out. And I'm going to show you how to use it. Okay, so this is vidIQ. And what you want to do, once you're logged in, you can go over here to create and go to clipping. And this is how simple it is. So I already put something in here I want to show you guys. But to get to it, you just go to new clips. And then you put in the actual upload the video. So you click here and you just paste the link to whoever video you want to post here. And in 15 minutes, boom, it will literally give you the most viral clips from that YouTube video and will already add captions to it, tell you what the title is, and you can easily download it and send this. So I want to show you this quick example.
Obviously, you could try to do this manually, but that is where you would be missing out on what AI can provide. Because
so it literally took this guy's video and took the most viral clips out of it, and it created shorts for it. So I could literally repurpose this on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and I could use this schedule I'm going to show you in a second on how to just create this content and schedule it. But the way you actually get a client from this, you just send these clips to them. You email just one to them with the subject line, hey, I made something special for you. And in the body, you can say, I love your content. I just wanted to let you know I made this clip for you. Feel free to use it. That's it. Don't sell, don't pitch, just serve. And they're gonna usually respond with, oh my gosh, this is amazing. Can you do more? How my editor found me. I get pitches every single day from people saying they want to do my editing for me, but I don't know them. How would I even know the trust that they can do a good job? You serve first. My editor sent me a clip out of the blue. I didn't even know who he was, but I'll never forget that subject line caught me. It said, I made something special for you. So then I clicked on it and said, what is this? It was a reel of me that was done really good. And I'm like, oh my gosh, this is great. Like, who is this guy? I need more of this. And that one act of initiative turned into a consistent income for him. So you just never know what that one simple thing that you're using this AI tool to use to create consistent content. Now, to go even further with this, if you want to just go ahead and do clippings, I will also offer to schedule this out for them on all social media platforms. And depending on what kind of package you want to create for this, I recommend charging for anywhere from $500 a month to $1,000 a month or more, depending on what the ask is. Do not do anything hourly. Just say I can do this for $500 a month and create your clips. And then this is what you do. You take one day to actually do the work and schedule it. I'm gonna show you the scheduler right here on how you can use Go High Level Scheduler to just do this and post this and schedule this out to all the different social media platforms. So you can literally just get paid for a whole month for doing work for one day. Check this out. On Go High Level, this is my sub account. What you wanna do is go over here to marketing, and I'm gonna show you how easy this is. So you go ahead to here, new post under social planner. You want to select which accounts you want to put it to. For right now, I'm just going to use Instagram. You can link to all the different social media accounts right here, so you could just do this all at once. And then you go ahead and post the content. So for example, I'm just going to post one of the reels that I have in here. And you click on this, 3 dots, select, and then you're going to enter the file. And you see that's one of my reels right there. What's super cool about this is I can write my description right here. So I could just say how to make money with AI. And not only that, I can also write a follow-up comment because social media is so big about engagement. So I literally can put a comment to keep the engagement going on my post. So I can comment right now when this video posts, so I don't actually have to be on the computer. You can all do it right here. You can schedule this. This is insane. So you can post it to Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, all at once using a tool like this. And if you want to use Go High Level, I have a 30-day free trial. You guys can check it out just to see if this is something that you want to do. And then when you get your client to on board doing this, they're gonna be able to pay for this software where you can go ahead and do this for other clients. So this is an amazing way that you can make money online that a lot of people are not even considering. All right, the last one can make you the most money because it's not about just quick cash. It's about ownership. So here's the play. You can help new AI app founders get the word out about their product on Reddit. And instead of charging a flat fee, you take a small percentage of equity. So let me break this down. Reddit is one of the most powerful platforms online. It's where conversations start before they go viral anywhere else. Every topic you can imagine has a community called a subreddit. From AI tools to startups to productivity hacks, whatever it is, it's on Reddit. And when you post there the right way, hopefully not spammy, you can create massive awareness for a product. But Reddit is not easy at all. You have to understand the culture, you have to build trust, and post with authenticity. So start by creating an account, being active, comment, answer questions, share value. That's how you're gonna learn the platform. And after you learn more about Reddit, then you wanna get active in the product hunt community because that's where new app founders hang out and launch their tools. Their number one problem is marketing. You can have the best app in the world, but if nobody knows about it, you have nothing. And so that's why they can use you. They also don't have that much money up front that they can actually pay you. And so that's how you get the equity deal. So when you connect with founders, they're offered to manage their Reddit launch or ongoing marketing. And instead of a flat payment, like I was talking about before, offer them a small equity deal. So for early stage startups, something between 1% or 3% equity in exchange for launch marketing support is pretty fair. Help 5 or 10 founders, maybe one of those apps blows up, and that small slice of ownership could become life-changing. It's not the easiest one to do, but it is the most rewarding. You're not just making money with AI, you are building ownership in the AI revolution. And that's why this one, the Reddit equity play, could be the most profitable AI opportunity on this list. So there you go. 4 unsaturated ways to make money online with AI that hardly anyone is talking about. So from getting paid to posting on Facebook, to using voice AI for local businesses, to helping creators repurpose content, all the way to earning equity in the next big AI app. These are real actionable opportunities. And if you want to see how I help my friend bring in an extra $1,000 a month now in passive income, you can check it out right here. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.